In the world of tech, two giants have come together in an extraordinary partnership. Picture this: October 2022, Meta, a trailblazer in augmented and virtual reality, and Microsoft, a powerhouse in artificial intelligence, decide to join forces. At the helm of this collaboration, Mark Zuckerberg, CEO of Meta, and Jeff Teper, president of Microsoft Collaborative Apps and Platforms, share a vision. Their goal? To enhance enterprise use cases for the metaverse, uniting Microsoft's productivity tools with Meta's VR/AR universe. Imagine a world where virtual computer screens and tools could replace physical PCs, where Microsoft 365 and Teams find a new home in the metaverse, where Accenture lends its expertise to help businesses transition into this virtual reality, and where other industry leaders like Autodesk and Adobe also join the fray, updating their apps for use in the metaverse. Thus, a groundbreaking collaboration was born, set to redefine the boundaries of technology. Since its inception, the collaboration has made remarkable strides. The convergence of Meta's vision for a virtual interconnected world and Microsoft's cloud capabilities has brought about a number of noteworthy advancements. Together, they've been shaping a new digital reality, transforming the way we work, play, and interact. One of the significant achievements of this partnership has been the integration of Microsoft's productivity tools into the metaverse. Microsoft Teams, Microsoft 365, and Windows 365 have found their place in this virtual universe, creating a seamless blend of reality and virtuality. Imagine attending a meeting or working on a document, not from your physical computer but from a virtual one. This is the reality that Meta and Microsoft are crafting. The partnership has also led to the unveiling of the Meta Quest Pro, a state-of-the-art VR headset designed for productivity and work collaboration. This device is not just a piece of hardware, it's a key to a new world, a testament to this partnership's vision for the future of work. But it's not just about hardware and software. The collaboration has made substantial strides in the realm of AI too. The support for the Llama 2 family of large language models on Azure and Windows is an example of how Meta and Microsoft are pushing the boundaries of AI. This initiative is democratizing access to AI, enabling developers and organizations to build generative AI-powered tools and experiences. However, like any pioneering venture, this collaboration has faced its set of challenges. VR and AR technology, while promising, still grapple with issues like latency and power consumption. These hurdles need to be addressed for the widespread adoption of the metaverse. But given the track record of Meta and Microsoft, they are more than capable of overcoming these obstacles. From productivity tools to VR headsets, this partnership has already left an indelible mark on the tech landscape. As we look at the progress so far, it's clear that Meta and Microsoft's collaboration is not just about creating new products or technologies, it's about crafting a new reality, a new way of living and working. And this, dear listeners, is just the beginning. The impact of this collaboration is far-reaching, touching multiple sectors and applications. Let's delve into the profound implications of this synergistic union, starting with the sectors that stand to gain the most. In the realm of healthcare, imagine a doctor in Tokyo performing a complex surgery with the help of a specialist in New York, all within the metaverse. The fusion of Meta's VR and Microsoft's AI could make this a reality, breaking down geographical barriers to life-saving expertise. Education, too, is poised for transformation. The metaverse could offer immersive, interactive learning experiences, bringing history lessons to life or making complex scientific concepts tangible. Coupled with AI's ability to personalize learning, we could see a seismic shift in how knowledge is imparted and absorbed. On the entertainment front, the possibilities are boundless. Imagine gaming in a fully immersive AI-powered metaverse where the line between virtual and real is blurred. Or consider a concert where you're not just in the crowd, but on stage with your favorite band. The metaverse could redefine our entertainment experiences. Now let's pivot to the implications for Microsoft and Meta's businesses. Microsoft's Azure, already a titan in cloud computing, could see a tremendous boost as the backbone of the metaverse. This could further strengthen Microsoft's position in the cloud market, building on its existing partnerships and attracting new clients. For Meta, this collaboration could cement its vision of a metaverse-centric future, driving adoption of its VR hardware and software. The company's shift from social media to the metaverse could also diversify its revenue streams, opening up new avenues for growth. How does this collaboration compare to Microsoft's partnership with OpenAI? While both alliances are significant, they serve different purposes. The Meta partnership is about building the metaverse, while the OpenAI alliance is about advancing AI capabilities. Both are part of Microsoft's broader strategy to lead in the evolving tech landscape. The potential is immense, and the implications are fascinating. This collaboration is set to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. But what does the future hold for this groundbreaking partnership? As we peer into the crystal ball of technology, it's clear that the combined forces of Meta and Microsoft are set to reshape the landscape of AI and augmented reality. The continued integration of Microsoft tools into the metaverse will unlock new dimensions of productivity and collaboration. Imagine the possibilities: virtual meetings that feel as real as being in the same room, or AI-powered tools that anticipate our needs and streamline our workflows. The partnership is also poised to make considerable advancements in AI. The support for the Llama 2 family of large language models on Azure and Windows, for instance, is a glimpse into a future where AI experiences are fine-tuned and personalized like never before. However, as with any pioneering venture, there are challenges on the horizon. Latency issues and power consumption concerns in VR and AR technology will require innovative solutions. Competition is another factor, as rival collaborations such as Microsoft and OpenAI continue to make their own strides in AI development. Yet, the potential of this Meta-Microsoft alliance is immense. The synergy of their technological prowess will continue to push the boundaries of what we thought possible, shaping a future where AI is seamlessly integrated into our everyday lives. The future is bright and full of exciting possibilities. We can't wait to see where this collaboration leads. In conclusion, the collaboration between Meta and Microsoft is a game-changer in the world of tech. This extraordinary alliance signifies an unprecedented fusion of technology, harnessing the power of AI and the potential of the metaverse. The partnership, born out of a shared vision for the future, has already made significant strides. From the integration of Microsoft's productivity tools into the metaverse, to the support for Llama 2's large language models on Azure and Windows, we've seen a synergistic blend of innovation. The implications of this collaboration are vast, offering unique possibilities for AI in various sectors, including healthcare, education, and entertainment. However, it's not without its challenges and risks. The complex task of mitigating latency and power consumption issues in VR and AR technology, for instance, remains a key concern. Yet the competition is fierce, with the Microsoft OpenAI partnership serving as a notable comparison. Looking ahead, the potential for this collaboration is immense. The impact on both Microsoft's and Meta's businesses cannot be understated, with the promise of transforming the way we work, play, and interact with technology. In the grand scheme of things, with its potent combination of AI, VR, and AR, this collaboration could very well be the cornerstone of the next technological revolution, shaping the future of our digital world. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Meta-Microsoft collaboration. Be sure to subscribe, like, and share for more insights into the world of tech. Until next time.